If you're trying to lose weight or build muscle, you've probably wondered, should you focus on cardio or strength training? This is one of the most debated topics in the fitness industry, and today we're going to break it down. We'll look at what science says, bust some common myths, and help you decide the best workout plan for your goals. So, if you've ever been confused about whether to spend more time running on the treadmill or lifting weights, this podcast is for you. Let's start with cardio. A lot of people believe that cardio is the best way to lose weight. It makes sense. When you run, cycle, or do high-intensity cardio workouts, you burn calories quickly. However, there's one big problem. The fat-burning effect of cardio stops as soon as you finish your workout. While steady-state cardio, like jogging or using an elliptical, is great for improving cardiovascular health, it's not necessarily the most efficient way to burn fat long-term. Now, that doesn't mean cardio is bad. There are some forms of cardio, like high-intensity interval training, HIIT, that are far more effective than just running at a steady pace. HIIT involves short bursts of intense activity followed by rest, which helps you burn calories even after your workout is over. Studies have shown that HIIT can be up to 30% more effective for fat loss compared to steady-state cardio. So, if you enjoy cardio and want to use it for fat loss, short, intense workouts are the way to go. Now, let's talk about strength training. Many people think lifting weights is only for building muscle, but strength training is actually one of the best ways to burn fat. The reason is simple. When you build muscle, your body burns more calories even at rest. This means that even when you're not working out, your body is still burning fat. Strength training also creates something called the afterburn effect, or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC. This means that after an intense strength training session, your body continues to burn calories for up to 48 hours. Compare that to cardio, where your body stops burning calories shortly after your workout. This is why lifting weights is a game changer for fat loss and overall body composition. If you've ever seen someone who does only cardio, they often look skinny fat, whereas someone who combines strength training and cardio has a lean, toned, and athletic body. The key takeaway here is that muscle helps you burn fat more efficiently, finding the right balance. So, which one should you focus on? Cardio or strength training? The truth is, you need both. The best workout routine is a combination of strength training and cardio. If your goal is fat loss, you should prioritize strength training at least 3 to 4 days a week and add in 1 to 2 days of cardio to keep your heart healthy and improve endurance. If you're someone who only does cardio and you're not seeing results, start adding weight training to your routine. On the other hand, if you're only lifting weights but feel like you're not burning enough calories, adding a couple of HIIT sessions can speed up fat loss. The goal is to find a balanced approach that fits your lifestyle and fitness level. Common mistakes people make. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some common mistakes people make when it comes to choosing between cardio and strength training. One of the biggest mistakes is relying only on cardio for fat loss. Cardio burns calories, but if you're not strength training, you're not building lean muscle, which means you're missing out on long-term fat-burning benefits. Another mistake is lifting too heavy too soon without focusing on proper form. Strength training should be progressive. You need to start with a weight you can handle and gradually increase over time. And of course, we can't forget about nutrition. No matter how much cardio or strength training you do, if your diet isn't right, you won't see results. You need enough protein to build and maintain muscle, and you need a balanced diet that supports your fitness goals. So, what's your workout preference? Are you more into cardio, or do you prefer strength training? Let me know in the comments. The key takeaway from today's episode is that if you want the best fat loss results, you need a combination of both. If you found this podcast helpful, make sure to subscribe for more fitness insights every week. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, The Fitness Idea, for daily fitness tips and workout routines.